Have you ever sketched something on paper and wished you could see it come to life as a real 3D model? Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn a simple 2D hand sketch into an incredibly realistic 3D image, all with the help of AI. The best part? You don't need complicated software or hours of 3D modeling. All you need is a photo of your sketch and a short text description, known as a prompt, to let AI do the magic for you. Step 1. Start with a simple hand-drawn sketch. Snap a photo of it. Don't worry if it's not perfect, even a rough drawing works. Step 2. Write your prompt. A prompt is just a short description of what you want the AI to generate. You can use ChatGPT to write prompts. Step 3. Upload your sketch along with the prompt into the AI tool. Wait a few seconds and let the AI work. Final step. Now watch as your simple 2D drawing transforms into a 3D, realistic model. It looks like your sketch is literally rising from the paper. This is one of the coolest tricks to bring your drawings to life. If you don't want your designs to stay flat on paper, give this method a try. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more awesome tips like this.